Hi, everyone, and welcome to Marketing 1030 Social Media Marketing Strategies. Welcome to the class. I'm glad you're here. This class builds upon Marketing 1010 Social Media in that now we start to really dive into social media as practitioners. In 1010, you got to do a little bit. You got to talk about writing a plan for a restaurant and doing some social media. But now you're really going to get in much deeper. You're going to get to work with tweets and Facebook. You're also going to get to design a marketing plan for social media. So this first week, we start out with doing a SWOT analysis. I don't know how many of you have done a SWOT analysis in your other classes, but SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And it's a look at both the internal in the strengths and weaknesses of a company and the external in the opportunities and threats, business environment, and what that company is going to be faced as far as putting together a plan and being successful with a product or a service. So your first requirement this week for week 1 and week 2 will be to do a SWOT analysis. Now, SWOT analyses are typically depicted in a 4-square chart. And I have uploaded a video after this one for you to show you exactly how to do a SWOT analysis and do the chart. You typically need at least 3 points in your SWOT analysis for each of the 4 categories, and you can't use the same point in a positive and negative light. So for instance, in a strength, you can't say we're a small company, and in a weakness say we're a small company. These have to be totally separate points. You have to look at the environment around them. But take a look at the video I've posted. Give yourself a chance with that. The paper is also going to require you to do analysis of it. So it's not enough to do your just quick points in the SWOT analysis. You've also then got to write about your points, why you put them in there, why they're important to the company. What factors are there? What can be done about it? So that's the analysis part of a SWOT analysis. So 2 components to it, the chart with your points and then the analysis that you do. Then for your homework, you're going to start your marketing plan process for Acme Incorporated, and you're going to be talking about your marketing planning. So if you have any questions or anything, give me a shout this week. Our discussion question involves marketing plans and how to use them. I think we've all encountered a situation where we had to make a short-term decision, but we weren't really sure if that was in the long-term interest of the company. Particularly when you work in customer service, this happens because you have to make an on-the-spot decision to try and help a customer, but in the meantime, you're kind of wondering if you're really not doing some long-term damage. So again, welcome to the class. I'm glad you're here. I look forward to a really spirited discussion in class this semester. And if you have any questions at all, please give me a shout and let me know what I can do to help. Thanks.